Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful collaboration and workflow platform. Specifically, I'm going to answer the question, do you have to pay to use Smartsheet? Before I get into that, though, I want to give you a little bit of background on Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and manage spreadsheets, tasks, projects, and workflows. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used for a variety of purposes, from tracking project progress to managing customer support tickets. So, do you have to pay to use Smartsheet? The answer is yes and no. Smartsheet offers a free version of its platform, but it also has paid tiers with additional features and functionality. The free version of Smartsheet. The free version of Smartsheet is a great option for individuals and small teams. It includes the following features: up to 3 users, 25 sheets, 100,000 rows per sheet, 25 gigabytes of storage, basic reporting and collaboration features. The free version of Smartsheet is a great way to get started with the platform and see if it's a good fit for your needs. However, if you need more than 3 users, more sheets, or more storage, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Paid plans. Smartsheet offers 3 paid plans: Standard, Premium, and Enterprise. Each plan includes more features and functionality than the previous plan. Standard. The Standard plan includes up to 10 users, 50 sheets, 1 million rows per sheet, 500 gigabytes of storage, and advanced reporting and collaboration features. Premium. The Premium plan includes up to 25 users, 100 sheets, 10 million rows per sheet, 1 terabyte of storage, and advanced reporting and collaboration features. Enterprise. The Enterprise plan includes an unlimited number of users, sheets, and rows, unlimited storage, and advanced reporting and collaboration features. In addition to the features included in the paid plans, Smartsheet also offers a number of add-ons that can be purchased to further customize the platform. When should you consider paying for Smartsheet? If you're using Smartsheet for a large team, or if you need more than 3 users, 25 sheets, or 100,000 rows per sheet, you should consider paying for a plan. Paid plans also include advanced reporting and collaboration features that can be helpful for larger teams. Alternatives to Smartsheet. There are a number of other spreadsheet and project management tools available, including Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, Trello, Asana. If you're not sure whether Smartsheet is the right tool for you, I recommend checking out some of these alternatives. In conclusion, Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can be used for a variety of purposes. It offers a free version of its platform, but you may need to pay for a plan if you need more features or users. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks.